All right, here's Ben. First day riding with no training wheels. Woo! Also our first crash. Good job, Ben. Try again.
I crashed.
All right, hop up and do what Daddy taught you about standing up and pushing off the pedal. All right, ready? Okay. Remember to steer to the middle of the street.
There you go.
There you go. Press off.
Like 100.
Okay.
That's close.
Like 100.
Like 100. Remember, start whichever foot's on the bottom, like your kickstand on the right. No, other way.
Lucy, move out of the way.
Other way. There you go. Now use your left. There you go. Now go.
Go.
Push
Pedal
off, go.
fast. Pedal fast. Pedal
There you
fast.
go.
Good,
There you
Ben.
go. There you go. Keep going.
I wanted to turn around.
Come on, Liz.
All right, come towards me. Whichever one's on top, push down there. And then start pedaling fast, fast, fast. There you go. Look at you, my big 5.5-year-old. Stop at the stop sign. There you go. Good job.